This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Kia Sorento. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, Bluetooth cell phone integration, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: a power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium sound system, performance tires, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. This Kia has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Smale GMC is conveniently located at 5116 Route 30 East in Greensburg, just half a mile from the Westmoreland Mall. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials and leasing offers, and make sure to visit us at smalegmc.com.